Hello guys, it's Daniel Patrick and you are welcome to the channel. Today's video is basically about free Shiba Inu, alright, how to earn Shiba Inu for free, alright, and I'm going to get free 2000 Shiba Inu approximately every hour. That is if you put in the effort, alright. I'm going to teach you how to get that. I'm going to show you a withdrawal proof of what I earned. I'm going to carry out a live withdrawal right now so you can see how this works. All right, now just take a few seconds to hit that subscribe button or the subscribe button so you don't miss out whenever I drop updates like this. All right, like I said before, today's video is basically about about yesterday's video which I created on how to earn free Shiba Inu coin. All right, so what do we do right now? I'm just going to scroll down right now and withdraw this coin to my wallet. All right, this bot would actually pay you for inviting people, all right, to carry out a simple task just by joining a few Telegram group and subscribing to a YouTube channel. So once you join this bot with the link in the description of this video, which is my referral link, you're going to see a referral link, my telegram referral link to join these bots. Once you join this bot, click on join. You're going to be asked to click on the start button, and once you do that, you're going to perform these various tasks right here by joining this private channel, join this private channel, join this, and then subscribe to this very YouTube channel or 6 private channel which you are meant to join. All right, and you subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right, you can go watch, if you haven't watched the video I created about this yesterday, you should go watch that first before you watch this very one. All right, because it will help you better understand this bot and how it works. Now, this is not like anything you have seen before. This is not what you have done before. If you have heard that Telegram bot does not pay based on your past experience, this is different. All right, because this would actually pay you for carrying out these tasks. All right, and if you carry out these tasks, you get a daily bonus of 200 Shib. All right, that is without doing anything. All right, but if you invite people, you put in the effort, you're going to be getting approximately 1 people every hour if you put in the effort. Invite people as much as you can. All right, regarding what you will post, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to prepare the file for you, which I'm going to be showing you later in this video. All right, that file contains a sample article which you can use to promote your referral link on any social media platform at all. All right, so once you perform these tasks, what you're meant to do next is to pick your referral link right here. All right, what you're meant to do is to pick your referral link right here and start promoting this right now. I'm just going to click on this now so you see how this works. So when you click on balance, you'll be asked to solve this recaptcha right here, and I'm just going to type exactly what I see on my screen right now. All right, so it's 23 T32 YD. All right, no, VD actually. So I'm going to type that. I'm going to click on send. Now once you do that, it will give you the menu bar where you can now again click on balance to see your balance. And as you can see right now, it says I have 8,400 Shiba coins. This is what in less than 5 hours yesterday while promoting this. All right, I'm not saying you should invest all your time in this. Just post this 1 or 2 places on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Just invite your friends, your friends offline and all that, and let them get to participate in this. Let them get to add Shiba Inu into their crypto portfolio. All right, it's very important. Just imagine Shib turns to $1 tomorrow. This will be $8,400 sitting on your wallet. For your information, I withdrew 2,000 yesterday. I know it's nothing now, but we're not thinking of now, we're thinking long term. All right, so if this is something you want to get into, then watch me withdraw this right now straight to my wallet. But before I do that, I'm just going to click on ref start now. Now the ref start is the area that contains my referral link and my referrals. All right, now as you can see here, I've invited a total of 11 people and 6 are inactive and 5 are active. All right, I've earned a total of 10,000 Shiba. That's really small, but With time, I'm going to scale up. I'm going to scale up. I'm going to provide time for this very soon. All right. So this is actually how you pick a referral link to promote to people if you want to earn more from this free Shiba Inu bot. And without even doing that, like I said before, you can claim 200 Shiba Inu every single day by clicking on that bonus section and clicking on the get bonus. All right. Sometimes you're going to be asked to fill in a recaptcha, but if you click on this get bonus right now, you're going to be able to claim that. But if I should click on that, I'll be told that you have already earned a bonus in the last 24 hours, and that's because I actually claimed for today. So I'm going to be withdrawing this straight to my wallet right now, to my trust wallet. All right, and the wallet address you're meant to pick for this is Shiba Inu BEP20. All right, don't go pick Shiba Inu ERC20 because you might experience loss of fund or stuff like that. So I'm just going to head over to my trust wallet right now and then open that up. Now, if you don't have a Trust Wallet account, you can go to Google Play Store and download Trust Wallet. All right, it's on Google Play Store, very available on Play Store. You can download that. But if you already have one, I would suggest you don't use your main account. All right, just come over to this setting bar right here. Now, once you click on setting, just go ahead and click on wallets. Now, once you click on wallets, click on this plus sign icon right here. All right, just click on the plus sign icon and create a new wallet. Follow the on-screen instruction to create a new wallet. All right, you're going to be given something that is called a seed phrase. All right, it has a 1246 phrase. Make sure you keep that safe. Don't share it with anyone, because anyone that have it will do away with your asset. All right, so create another wallet which you will be using to claim airdrops. All right, so this is a wallet I created for airdrops, and I'm going to be using that right now. I'm just going to open that up right now, and we have Shib here already. That's because I actually added this wallet yesterday, but in your case it will be you won't see that Shib available there. So just come over to this bar right here and click that three horizontal line at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then search for Shib in the search bar. Just search for Shib in the search bar, and you're going to see a lot of coins that bear the name Shib. All right, just select the one that has BEP20. All right, the one that has BEP20 right here. All right, and it's usually at the very top right. You don't go select another one. So I'm just going to head over to my Shiba Inu wallet right now and click on that. As you can see here, this is 2,400 Shib, and this was what I withdrew yesterday. So I'm going to do another withdrawal, and the way we do that is click on this receive button right here. Now, once I click on the receive, I'm going to go ahead and click on copy to copy this wallet address. All right, and I'm going to come over here right now and click on withdraw. All right, if I click on withdraw, we're going to see a prompt that is provide Shiba address. All right, so I'm just going to wait for that prompt to pop up right now. The signal today is not really good, so it says please send your Shiba address. I'm going to paste that in right now. Paste that in and then click on send. And as you can see, the prompt here says that please send now the amount of Shiba you want to withdraw, and the max I can withdraw here is 8,000 Shiba, and I would actually pay no fees. All right, I would actually pay no fees. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in everything because I want to withdraw everything. All right, so 8,400, that's the max I can withdraw. So I'm just going to go ahead right now and click on this send button right here, right, to withdraw that right now. So as you can see here, it says withdraw success. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to head over to my trust wallet. All right, and then click back and refresh this right now just to confirm if I've actually received the payment. So I'm just going to refresh this right now, and as you can see here, guys, it says 10,800 Shib. All right, so this is what I have right now in my wallet. All right, and that's because I have 2,400 before, so the 8,400 addition makes it 10,800 Shib, guys. So how do you partake in this? All right, how do you partake in this, guys? Well, like I told you before, you just have to join the link, the referral link. Like I said before, you just have to join this Telegram bot with my referral link using the link in the description of this video, and you perform the task. All right, like I'm going to drop a video on the screen right now which you should watch. Highly recommended you watch that video, because that's the very first video that will explain to you perfectly well how this bot works. All right, now the second link is the Ship promotion file link. Ship promotion file link. Now I'm going to show you how that link looks like. All right, now all you just have to do is to come over to your browser, all right, maybe your Google Chrome browser or your primary browser or whatever browser you use, and then come over to the search bar right here and paste in that link. All right, and that link is a Google Doc file link which I created for you. All right, but it's going to be leading you to Telegram first. All right, because that's where you get to see the main link. All right, and as you can see here, it's instructing you to download Telegram, and that is if you haven't downloaded. Now there's something I want you to do for me. Just come over here and click on this Daniel Pat Crypto, and it will lead you directly to my group. And then once you get there, just click on the join button, and I'll really appreciate it if you do that. It's just so you would also get updated about stuffs like this or updates like this. All right, whenever I drop them. All right, do not click on the Daniel Patrick, because that will be sending me a direct message and I may not really answer your message on time. All right, so once you just appear here after joining the group, what you're meant to do next is to click on this link, and this very link would click on it and open in a new tab. Now this very link will redirect you to Google Doc, all right, which is where you get to see the file I have prepared for you. All right, this is it, guys. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want you to give me a like, right, and subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out whenever I create videos like this. All right, I would also suggest you join our social media handle, which is Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp. If you want to get updates about stuff like this, then like I said, you have to subscribe to the channel. I create video updates on how to make free cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Solana coin, Bitcoin, and the likes. So if you're really pumped up about this, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out whenever I create videos like this. There are so many social media platforms out there which you can this. You're right with your referral link, and like I told you before, you just have to come to RefStats and pick your referral link and use that this file I've prepared for you, and fixing your referral link in it and start spreading the message. All right, whenever someone joins, you get 2,000 Shib, and you just have to invite just one person to withdraw, right? So if you invite one person and it doesn't work out, you go your way. It's that simple, guys. There is no time for delay or whatever. If that one person comes in and it doesn't work out, then you know it doesn't work. But I would always advise you to carry out the process over again. If you try it out and it doesn't work, just repeat that same thing over again and see if it works. All right, so this is it, guys. Make sure you claim your daily bonus at least once every 24 hours so that you get to earn this very coin as much as you can. I remain your crypto guy, Daniel Patrick, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.